This is the Marvel Guardian of the Galaxy Cosmic Deluxe Edition Xbox One unboxing. First we have this sleeve over the case. You pull that right off. And we have the Guardians of the Galaxy on the cover. And then the symbol on the back. Now this opens up and you have the metal case inside with the game inside of it. And then you also have the Guardian of the Galaxy Art of the Game book. And this is pretty cool. All the credits in there. Like Star-Lord and Peter Quill as a child. Concept arts. Different skins. Got Drax the Destroyer. Rocket Raccoon. Gamora. Milano. There's Groot. And then some different concept arts of the maps from the game. That's pretty cool. Finally, we have the metal case with the game inside. There's a new disc, and then there's the code for the Square Enix members. Some advertisement for the Avengers game. And then another booklet. And that's all we have here with the unboxing of the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Deluxe Edition for the Xbox One.